We'll guide you through how to block adult websites on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. And so what we can do is we can go and block adult websites. Perhaps you want to do this for yourself to go and keep yourself protected, or maybe a young person goes and uses this iPhone and so you want to go and keep them protected. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure it's this full guide. So actually a setting on the iPhone we can go and use to go and set this up, and we can go and guide you through that. So what you need to do is you need to come and open up the settings app on your iPhone like so. In settings, you don't actually need to go and head to Safari settings. What you need to do is you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for screen time. Now don't worry, we don't have to go and set up like a certain amount of time on the screen. It's a different setting, so come into here. Then what you can do is go and scroll down. What you can do is you can go and set up a passcode. If this is for a young person, you can go and stop them from changing this setting by setting up a passcode that only you know, and so the setting can't be changed without it. I already have, which is why it says change, but you can go and set this up and turn it on by pressing this button. Then what you can do is come into restrictions, into content and privacy restrictions. In here, you need to go and find App Store, Media, Web, and Games, and you want to go and tap into here like so. Then you need to go down and find the option for web content. At the moment, this is set to unrestricted. So what you want to do is you want to go and tap on it like so. And then what you can do is you can go and select limit adult websites. You can also go and do only approved, but in this case, we're focusing on adult websites. So limit will go and block them. So you can go and tap there. Because I have a passcode set up, it'll need to be entered. If you went to set one up, you'll need to go and enter it as well. Then that should now be set. Now, if you find that other websites you try and use are being detected sort of by accident, then you can always go and add it to always allow. And if there are certain websites you never want to allow, you can go and press that there. But I found this to be a pretty good setting and it can go and detect them well. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.